Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that Microsoft is going to be rolling out yet another native Copilot app for Windows, which is beginning to roll out to Windows insiders across all channels. And according to Microsoft, is a native XAML app with a new user interface, and we've got the sidebar here where you get your chat history and so on. I'll leave the video linked, so if you want to go check that out for more info, it'll be down below and in the end screen. Now, just to let you know that it seems, although Microsoft is giving the app a UI upgrade and making it more native once again, that it still can't open apps. And this was pointed out by Bob Pony over on X, who posted this screenshot where he was asking the new Copilot, which obviously he has enabled in the Insider program, to open Notepad, the actual app on Windows 11. And it says, I don't have the capability to directly open applications on your device. And it gives you then the steps to open Notepad. Now, this is unfortunate because I think if Microsoft is going to be building AI chatbot or Copilot app into the Windows OS, then this I think should be a basic feature, because when Microsoft introduced Copilot back in 2023, they specifically said that it would be able to automatically set the dark theme in Windows and the light theme and vice versa, as one simple example. And I think a native Copilot app at least should be able to complete basic tasks and interlink with system settings, where you can actually maybe ask it to tweak or adjust your system, clean out temporary files, adjust dark light mode, whatever. You get the idea. So I think that would make the app and the AI part of it a little bit more useful. But nonetheless, it seems that although the UI has received an upgrade, it still won't be able to open apps on Windows 11. And I certainly hope that Microsoft does change that in the future, because obviously Copilot is going nowhere. We can see that. Microsoft's not reducing their efforts to introduce it into every app and service, so at least I think it should have that basic functionality. Let me know your thoughts down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.